Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the actual working project and preparing assets so you can move fast. Install and open the web design app, pick a template or blank file, then set desktop, tablet, and mobile sizes. Enable a column grid to keep layouts consistent. Import fonts, SVG, and image folders and set logical names. Once done, create your first page and basic artboard, place a header and a primary navigation, and save a snapshot so you can revert if needed. Next, assemble the page structure by building reusable components and a consistent style system so changes propagate. Design header, footer, and content card components. Convert them to symbols or components and link instances. Apply a global style guide with color tokens, typography, and spacing variables. That way adjustments are simple. Make responsive rules and breakpoints. Test layout at desktop, tablet, and mobile, and refine constraints. Once components and styles are solid, wrap up by thoroughly testing and preparing the site for release so users have a smooth experience. Validate links, forms, and accessibility. Test on multiple devices and browsers and run performance checks. Export optimized assets, WebP or compressed JPEG for images and minimized SVGs, then enable caching and lazy loading. Connect hosting or export code for your developer handoff and push to version control or CMS. If something breaks, roll back to the last snapshot, check component overrides, and rerun the build to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.